For today's episode of ZippyKnights, it's going to be a little bit different, and we decided to get a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and what we're going to show here is a little bit of a problem that we ran into initially, and a workaround on how we're able to get the video to work properly on our editing software. So as you can see here, I took some footage. You can see we're looking at the PC and I have two videos in here. Everything seems fine, it seems normal, but what you'll see here in a moment is when you actually click on the image, when you're connecting your GoPro directly to your PC, you run into a little bit of a problem. And the problem, as I've read, is also being experienced in Adobe Premiere Elements. And it's exactly what you see right here, is you get the name of the file and it says we cannot open this file. I did some searching. I know that there is a software that you can get to convert the files, but what I'm going to show here, some of the steps that we used to get around this. So like I'm saying, it's a little bit of a workaround. I'm not sure if it's going to work 100% of the time for you. So far it has for us. That is with the GoPro, we have everything connected to the app. So I take the footage. From there, I go into the app, download everything off of the camera onto the app, and we're going to show you those steps right here. So as you can see here, we're going to connect the GoPro directly to my iPhone. All right, so you want to hit this Control Your GoPro button. This can be finicky at times. Sometimes it doesn't work and I have to completely shut down the GoPro app and then redo it. And I'd say 9 out of 10 times it works flawlessly though. But as you can see, we're connecting here. You want to select your footage. You can see you're going to hit that little button in the upper right hand corner, then select the media that you want. You hit the download button. You can see we're now downloading from the camera onto my iPhone within the GoPro app. And it's pretty cool because you can actually edit some of the videos before you know, within the GoPro app, which is great. From here, we're now going to select the footage again. Once we're done here, you'll see we'll hit the button. I use the Microsoft Cloud. From here, I have everything from iPhotos. I just hit the Microsoft Cloud button and everything goes right up to the cloud. And when we've utilized this process, all of the footage we're then able to open not only in the PC, but also then just drag it over and use it in Adobe Premiere Elements. I will say that when you're looking at it on the PC, every once in a while, it seems like the audio is not working. I've had that happen maybe like 15-20% of the time. However, when I then take everything and drop it into Adobe Premiere Elements, the audio is there and everything's fine. If there's somebody that is technically knowledgeable and knows why this is, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed some of the film footage of Caleb, Sophia, and a couple of Caleb's friends as we were testing out the GoPro at our pool. Thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm.